Hi, Furious Pete. So, I'm a big fan of yours, and I was watching your burp contest video, and I know the contest is probably already over, and I'm not going to win the shirt, but I'm going to challenge you. I saw your huge burp on the Coke and Mentos thing, so I have a really big burp. Once I made my whole school, like, cafeteria. Like, everyone is talking, they can get loud, and I made them all stop. It was pretty amazing. So, I'm also drinking something I hate for this, tonic water. Oh boy. Okay. Here we go. Oh. I hate this stuff. It evidently makes some pretty big burps, so. Oh, no flavoring or anything. Okay, that's as much as I can drink, but I'm still gonna challenge you on. Okay. So. Whew. I think that was pretty good. Tell me how I did. Thanks, bye.